guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go to the Vroom drag meet on my Zx10r. We're almost there, just a bit further. So it's almost the last week of December. Christmas is in a few days, New Year is in a few days. I don't know if I'll be making a video on Christmas Day or New Year, so Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all. Hopefully the next year will be blessed and well for everyone. All the best. Your bike is over there, right? Yeah. Ade avrdu Z900. Avrde tane Z900. Yurdu. Pretty sure the arrow, this Honda is louder than my bike. Pretty sure. But yeah, and there we have my bike S1KRR, couple of S1KRRs, Hayabusa, another S1000RR. I don't know what this bike is. GTL case 1600. We have race Aprilia, looks pretty good. There's my friend's Z900, my other friend's Indian. I've showed you both of them. There they are. We've got, let's go. Oh, Z1000 Scrambler Street Fighter. Damn, I love the Street Fighter. We have the Ducati V4. I don't know if it's the V4S. No, it's a Panigale V4. It looks pretty neat. And there we have the Street Fighter V4S matte bike. I have the Diavel too. I think it's the Ducati lineup. There's the 959. Woo! Looks sharp. Wow. Oh. That's crazy.
Yeah, but these are not as muscular and like macho as the older ones. They made it very sleek and.
I mean, it gives the performance.
Performance-wise, yes.
The R1M is a completely different vibe from the R1. Huh? It's a completely track a double R. I'm pretty sure it's very light. The body kit looks differently made. Not sure. What is this? Java. These are off-road ATVs. I'm not sure. Apparently they gave a free ride. Is it a free ride?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they gave a free ride, it seems.
Small tour. They take you around the circle.
Oh yeah, the course, yeah.
That's the track, yeah.
I don't know who would buy this in India.
Would be people who have farmhouses and big
Yeah.
areas.
Oh, look at this guy. They're asking who's the loudest bikes. He told mine is one of the loudest.
What which was the
Arrow.
Oh?
Arrow.
The full system arrow?
Yeah.
Okay, arrow.
Is the battery still there?
Swipe up to unlock. How do I know battery is there? Battery is there. One block.
Yeah, cool. I hope they don't dash someone.
So? Damn, this looks cool actually. Wait, you can literally take a video of this.
There's another R8 over there with a really weird exhaust, but okay. Right.
That's going to be waiting on about 10 exhibition just for you. You'll probably see cars.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಇದು
The meet was pretty fun and good. Really enjoyed it, and I'm gonna try to make it as interesting as possible for you guys so that you watch the whole thing. Yeah, pretty good, pretty fun meet, not gonna lie. Woohoo! But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe. Peace.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.